So now that we have set our open and closed limits and our travel switches on the servos themselves, we can go back to the LCD touchpad and go back into menu, and we can do a zero calibration. So go back to setup, press enter, go to servo setup, press enter. Now scroll down to zero calibration. And what you will want to do is choose which servo you want. So in this case, we're going to do fuel 1 servo. Go down to zero calibration, press enter, and now it's enabled. And then we will go to the servo and perform the calibration. So now that we have enabled the zero calibration at the controller, we need to perform the zero calibration at the servo. To do this, you'll now find that your clockwise and counterclockwise push buttons are active, and you can manually control the servo. And what you'll want to do is make sure your servo is in the farthest closed position, and this will be your zero position. Once you are fully closed, you want to hold down on the zero button and hold the direction of your closed position, then release both. And that will complete your zero calibration. Okay, now that we have established our 0% on the servo, you're now going to see a error message come up saying servo 0, or whichever address you are working on, needs seek limits. So we'll press escape, scroll down one time to seek limits, make sure you're on the correct servo, which in this case is the fuel valve that we're using. You press enter on start, and now the servo will automatically find those limit position switches that you set up, and it will memorize that data. And if everything went well with the seek limits, you should see no errors pop up, and that completes the setup of your servo. Now that the first servo is complete, you will want to continue on to your other servos in your system and make sure that they are set up. And that completes the wiring and setup of the FlexFit servos. For more information on setting up the rest of your FlexFit, please see our other videos.